We're now one step closer to jury deliberations in the first of 3 trials over the murder of Jared-Bridegan. Right now, Mario Fernandez-Saldana's trial is taking place at the Duval County Courthouse. That's where we find Faria Brar live on your side with details from inside the courtroom today. And Faria, the defense now resting its case this morning as their witness testimonies wrapped up very quickly. I assumed that we would hear more from their side.
Yeah, I expected to be there for at least an hour listening to testimony, but it wrapped up within a half hour. 2 witnesses from the Discovery School were asked to join the stand, and that was from people that are actually directly behind the home that Fernandez-Saldana and Shanna Gardner have. Now, we did not get to hear Fernandez-Saldana testify. He opted not to.
Who makes the decision about whether you testify or not?
I do.
Have you made it?
Yes, Your Honor.
What is it?
I don't need to get on the chair, Your Honor.
Okay, so what does that mean?
I don't need to testify. I don't need to prove anything.
Okay.
Ultimately, the jury doesn't get to ask me questions, so
I want to know what you want. Do you want to testify or not? Yes or no?
No, Your Honor.
Okay.
On the 7th day of his trial, Mario Fernandez-Saldana reaffirmed his right to remain silent and did not testify in his trial over the alleged 2022 murder of Jared-Bridegan. Jurors weren't in the room during his conversation with Judge London Kite, but they did listen to 2 women from the Discovery School testify about the co-parenting relationship between the Bridigans, Gardner, and Fernandez-Saldana. One shared they found out Bridegan died through Gardner, who told them, quote, he passed, but not explicitly saying he was murdered. Both worked at the school the twins Bridegan shared with Gardner attended behind Gardner and Fernandez-Saldana's Jacksonville Beach home nearby the scene of the crime. Defense's case wrapped up within 30 minutes. Jurors returned to the courtroom over an hour later for closing arguments. The state alleging the evidence shown proves the defendant did not have to lift a finger to solicit the request to kill Bridegan, alleging that makes him guilty.
You can believe he paid Henry Tennant to do this. You can believe he encouraged him by showing him what Mr. Bridegan's vehicle looked like. You can believe that he drove the truck that night. You can believe he gave Henry Tennant the gun. It doesn't matter which fact you believe beyond a reasonable doubt this falls under, as long as all of you believe he did something or said something that is one of these things.
Now we're expecting the defense to wrap up their closing arguments after the lunch recess. That's when we're expecting jurors to enter deliberation. That could be in just a few hours. Riley Phillips and Heather Crawford are still in the courtroom. They'll keep you posted on details later tonight. Reporting live outside the Duval County Courthouse, Faria Brar, First Coast News, on your side.